I'm gonna play y'all one of my favorite songs ever here. This is a tune by the late great R.L. Burnside. It's called See My Jumper Hanging Out on the Line. Thank you guys so much. See my jumper, Lord, hanging out on the line. shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah. Give me the mic so I can take it away. All from the natural charge, bon voyage. Yeah, from the home of the Dodge of Brooklyn Squad. Wu-Tang Killer bees on the wall. Playing on your college ass disco ball. For you to even touch my skin, you have to be the right killer bee in the end for the kill now. Chop that down, pass it all around. Here is the all grease and went to the ground. In the MC and any 52 states, I get psycho. Killer, Norman Bates, my producer saying my flow is like a bed. Jump on stage and then I get down. Thank you all very much. My name is Grant Sabin. This is the Grant Sabin Trio. We're playing a show in Loveland on June 20th with the Black Joe Lewis and the Honey Bears. Hope you guys see you there. It's gonna be Verboten, the Verboten Block Party over there in Loveland. See you on June 20th, y'all.